Royals, welcome back to Tonitra's Garden. I'm Tonitra and you are in my garden. Today we are going to be direct sowing some seeds. We are not quite past our last frost date, but I checked the weather and I am not seeing any signs of any freezes happening within the next 10 days. So I think we should be okay to start planting. We'll start sowing some stuff. The things that I sowed from seed that I still have in little, seed trays, I'm going to keep in seed trays for now. A few things. No, rewind. I might be planting some of this stuff too, but we will not be planting any tomatoes today. That's for sure. So yeah, we're going to direct sow some seeds in this raised garden bed right here. It was my grandmother's, so it's near and dear to my heart. I wanted to plant it up with some things that she would be proud of. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. If you are interested in this, I will link it below. Everything will be linked below that I use in this video, and let's get right into it. So in this raised bed, I'm gonna put the Space Master cucumber. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of zinnias in there and see how they do. Maybe one sunflower, some basil. This is basil. And I'm gonna end up putting a tomato in there, aroma tomato, because they don't get super huge. And that's gonna be it for that raised bed for now. I have already put my soil in here and pre-moistened it, and I put some azomite in here just to give the soil some nutrients, because this was not new soil, it's old soil from my old grow bags. So I just repurposed my soil. I will be putting compost on top of this, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. This mushroom compost I got from my local nursery. Whatever compost you have in your local area will be best for you. But I am so excited to plant this raised bed. It is so cute. And it actually holds a lot more soil than I expected. It's a lot more growing space than I thought it was. So I'm excited to see how this does over the season. Okay, so my plan for this raised bed is I want Space Master cucumbers here, Roma tomatoes here, probably some zinnias back there, maybe a sunflower in here somewhere. I definitely need basil in here and marigolds. I'll probably be able to pop in some other things once I see how much space we have left. Just to kind of measure out how much space I'm gonna have, I'm gonna use one of my tomato cages, because I'm gonna need probably a small cage for the cucumbers. I'm gonna just kind of do an imprint on how large they are. So there we have it. So I'm gonna try to grow 3 cucumbers in this space. Do you want to plant my cucumbers for me, guys? Yeah. Okay. Can you make 3 holes? 1, like that. And put 1 over there and then 1 over there. Okay. 2, 3. Great job.
Can I press them?
Yeah. Can you put 2 in each hole? 1, 2. And
Over there.
2. Great. Wonderful. Okay, and we're gonna see if those pop up. So I got my little zinnias right here. We're gonna take 2 of these and plant them. I can't even get these out good. Okay, 1 and 2.
Mom, we need some peas.
We already got peas over there. Coming from. So I'm going to give you guys an overview of what we have and where I put what. Zinnias over here, purple basil in the corner, Space Master cucumbers, 2 cucamelons in the middle. I put marigolds in the front, 2 sunflowers, 1 tomato, more basil. And if I can fit anything elsewhere, I'll see once everything starts growing in. Well, this was so nice. It's a nice day to get out and plant. It's not too hot, it's not too cold at all. It was just perfect. So I'm so happy that I got some time in the garden while the babies are sleeping. But that wraps it up for this video. If you're interested in this garden bed, it'll be linked down below. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It's getting crazy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.